My name is Bibi. I am a multifamily investor, and I'm here to answer all frequently asked questions that investors might have. And I hope after you listen to this, you'll be willing and able to invest with us. Yes, as sponsors, we normally co-invest with our investors so that our interests may align. And this also helps us to have skin in the game because we believe in the deals that we're giving out to our investors. Absolutely. You can review our PPM, all the legal documents through a portal that we use called Cashflow Portal. Everything is in there. You can review all the documents that you need to know about the current investment or the deal that we're bringing to you. Our process is transparent, so we ensure that we have all the documents needed, not just for you, also to be in legal compliance, to be in compliance with the industry, and also to be in legal compliance with you as our investors. Our target return varies on deal, so depending on the deal, the returns might vary, but typically we have our average cash on cash between 6% to 10%, and our preferred equity between 7% to 9% preferred equity annually. And for our annual rate of returns, we typically have that between 20% to 24%, and our IRR between 16% to 22%. It just depends on the deal. Every deal is different. No investment is risk-free. However, our approach to our deals are very conservative underwritings and thorough due diligence. This enables us to optimize our cash flow and minimize the risk. Our distribution is on a quarterly basis, typically based on the property's cash flow, and our preferred returns is always outlined in our agreement. Based on the deal, we determine what kind of preferred returns will be given and what structure it should have. But typically, we use the waterfall structure. That is, whatever is not achieved in year 1 will be moved to year 2, and if it's not achieved in year 2, will be moved to year 3. So we follow those processes, but typically, our cash on cash is on a quarterly basis. Our team has collectively managed over 2,500 units, and we have a track record of delivering more than 2x multiples to our investors. That is, if you invest 100,000 in a specific number of years, you should be able to double it or triple it, depending on the deal. Our experience is in acquisition, underwriting, due diligence, assets management, and investors relations. Our expertise is in the Class A, Class B, and Class C. We've managed more than 100 units. Some of our units are 100 and above. We also have 200, 300, depending on the market. Yes, we've managed similar properties. Our class of properties that we've managed is the Class A, Class B, Class C, and most of them have similar challenges. So we are vast with the kind of experience that is needed to bring it to the finish line. Your investment is secured by the property itself. We maintain a clear structure of ownership rights and distribution. Everything is outlined in the documentation in the cash flow portal. Funds that are collected from you are held in an escrow account, which is then transferred to the seller at closing. Our minimum investment is typically $50,000, but we are open to discussing how your goals will align with ours. All you need to do is reach out to us. Deals like this are typically in liquid investment. That is, the funds are tied up from the beginning of the investment to the end of the investment. However, we are open to discussing if necessarily you have to transfer your shares to another investor. Why do we invest in the Texas and the PA market? We invest in the Texas and the PA market because we are confident that these locations are able to give us the type of returns that we are looking for. Our approach to investing is value add. We're consistently looking for properties that will give us an upside potential. That is, they have value add. It might be from the rent or from property management aspects. If it's from the rent, that means we're looking for properties that are low in rent. And if it's a property management issues, we're looking for properties that don't have good property management. Our business plan is to get in the best property management to manage it, thereby optimizing our returns on that property. So we constantly look for those kind of properties and we put them under contract. That is our approach to this kind of investing. Our communication process is monthly, and every quarter we do a webinar with all our investors. We pride ourselves with communication. Whether good or bad times, we always communicate to our investors. I hope I've been able to address your different concerns or different questions you would have loved to know. And if peradventure I did not answer any of them, please reach out to us and we'll give you response to your individual questions. Thank you and have a wonderful day.